everyone. Here is Shubhangi Bangre. Today we discuss about the point cell. Let's start the actual topic of the point. Cell is the smallest unit of life and also a building block of the cell. Definition of the cell. Cell has a structural, functional, and biological unit of the life. Types of the cell. There are the two types of the cell, that is the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell is defined as a unicellular cell. In that unicellular cell, the bacteria and the blue-green algae are present. Prokaryotic cell is a primitive cell which has not a well-defined nucleus. For example, bacteria and the blue-green algae. The size of the prokaryotic cells are large. Then the second type is eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell is also called as a multicellular cell, in that the plant cell and the animal cells are involved in the eukaryotic cell. It has a well-defined nucleus with the cell organelles, that is the chromosomes, nuclear plasma, nuclear membrane, etc. Difference between the plant and the animal cells are the difference in plant cell, the cell wall is present, and in animal cell, the cell wall is absent. In the plant cell, the chloroplast is present, and in animal cell, the chloroplast is absent. Chlorophyll is the main difference between the plant cell and the animal cell because it changes the color due to the sunlight. Chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. It is used in the photosynthesis process. In plant cell and the animal cell, the various parts are present. That is like the cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. In endoplasmic reticulum, they are divided into the two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then we have studied it one by one. The first one is the cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outer coating of the animal cell made up of the phospholipid bilayer. It is formed by the lipids and the protein, hence is called as a phospholipid bilayer. The function of the cell membrane is permeability, the movement of the molecule across the membrane and selectively transport of the substance in and outside. Then the second one is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the new cell membrane. It is made up of the proteins, water, carbohydrates. It provides a liquid environment to the cell. Then the cytosol. It is a jelly-like substance or a liquid is present, but no organelles are present in the cytosol. The third one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is located around the nucleus of the cell. It has the two types of endoplasmic reticulum. The first one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It has a smooth surface and no ribosomes are present on the surface. Function of smooth endoplasmic, it plays a significant role in the creation and the storage of lipids and the steroids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. It has a rough appearance and ribosomes are present on the surface. Function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is it plays a significant role in the synthesis of various proteins. Then Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is a sac-like collection of the uh, vesicles called as the cisternae. The endoplasmic reticulum and the ribosomes has worked as a protein synthesis, modified and packed. It is the main function of the Golgi apparatus. When modification and packing is occurs in that the small cells are obtained, it is called as a lysosomes. Lysosomes, also called as a suicidal bag of the cell. It acts as a digestive enzyme. Lysosomes remove the killed bacteria, debris, and the pathogens. Then the mitochondria. Mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Function of mitochondria. It produces the energy in the form of ATP with the help of the aerobic respiration. What is meant by aerobic respiration? The aerobic respiration is when the process takes place in the body with the help of the aerobic respiration is called as the aerobic respiration. Then the cell next part is the nucleus. Nucleus is a master control of the cell. Function of the nucleus are it contains the genetic information and the protein synthesis. Nucleon contains the entire DNA of the cell and manages all the activities of metabolism and growth. Microfilaments or the microtubules. Microfilaments hold the cell organelles at their place and forms the internal skeleton. Microfilaments are the protein substance that forms the internal skeleton called as a cytoskeleton. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the intracellular structure made up of the both RNA and the protein. It is the site of protein synthesis in the cell. This is all about the cell. Thank you.